Okay, I think we're rolling. Wait, are we? Yo, it's WCREATVE coming to you with a brand new YouTube video. For those of you guys tuning in, maybe some new people, some old people, I am a videographer slash editor, and I've been doing this for about 3 years now. If you're new here, hit the subscribe button. Also hit the like button if you like this. Also comment below what you guys want to see more of. If you guys have ideas for me to post, let me know down in the comments and we can get that going. As you can tell from the title, this video is about LUTs. Now LUTs are the rave. LUTs are a big product in the video world, in the editing world, to help editors like myself color the videos. So what is a LUT? A LUT stands for a lookup table, and it's basically, in the world of cinematography, a way to color correct one whole video the same color. It just makes it a lot easier for people to color the videos, especially if you're like me, don't have much experience coloring things, maybe on a separate application, or just have no clue how to even color your videos. A lookup table is something that you can just literally search up on YouTube. There's a ton of free ones out there that you can get, and most of them are just drag and drop, where you can put those in your videos and make them look more cinematic. I'm putting out my first LUT, and I'm very excited. For all these 3 years that I've been shooting video and editing, I've honestly been buying LUTs from other creators and just using them and loving them. And I just kind of got to a point where I wanted to see if I can do this myself and create another source of revenue for myself. So I gave it a shot. I worked on this LUT that I'm calling Fall Tings. If you don't get the Drake vibe, that's a Drake vibe right there.
And more tune for your head top, so watch how you speak on my name, you know?
I've been working on this for about 2 months now, and it's a LUT that I use on pretty much all of my videos, from weddings to football to corporate work, even graduation shoots that I have been a part of. I use this LUT, and so I just really wanted to test it. So if you guys want to see that footage, I'm playing the clip right now. So the reason I created Fall Tings is I saw a need for creators like myself to be able to drag and drop a color and make their videos look super cinematic just by adding color. And so I just wanted to create something that I could share with you guys, something that improved my work and got me way more jobs, and just made my work look really professional. The second half of this video is me actually showing you how to drag and drop these LUTs into your footage or into your project to get that color and get that cinematic look. I'm going to use my own LUT here. You can find free ones on YouTube and follow along, or if you want to purchase mine, it's down below. The link is down below where you guys can go and get that. This LUT that I have, or that I am selling, it'll work in Premiere Pro, it'll work in Final Cut. I'm just going to show you how to use it in Premiere Pro because that's what I use. But there are some awesome tutorials on YouTube that you guys can look up to figure out how to drop that into Final Cut. We'll jump over here to the computer and we will get that going. All right, folks, so once you, if you have not already, go ahead and open up Premiere Pro. Again, I'm only doing the Premiere Pro. I know a lot of people will probably have some other softwares, and this will work in those softwares. You just need to look up a tutorial to put that in there, or to actually put the LUT in those softwares. But this is for my Premiere Pro people specifically. Sorry about it. It's just what I use and kind of what I learned to use. So, but here you can see I have my clip. This is one that I played for you earlier. As you can see, it's really flat. There's not a whole lot of color going on here. But with the LUT, we can change the whole look and feel of the video. So place your clip on the timeline, whatever you want that clip to be. And then what you're going to want to do is what some people do, or what most people do, is they place the LUT on the actual clip. But that gets kind of confusing and really takes up a lot of time when you're doing a full-length video. So if you're doing like a 1-minute video for Instagram, you don't want to go through and place the LUT on each clip. You kind of just want to lay it over all of them. And the way you do that is by creating an adjustment layer. So what you want to do is come over here to your project window, hit the new item down here at the bottom, and then you're just going to add an adjustment layer. So just make sure that it fits the dimensions of your video. For me, I'm doing 19 by 1080. You can do 24, you can do 23, but typically I do 23.976. I hit OK. Find where that adjustment layer went in your project window. Go ahead and drag that over and drop it over your clip. So very, very simple step, just to kind of save you some time and just to make you allow you to make changes over the whole video. So the next step, you want to go ahead and hit your color tab, and then you'll see a list of different things here, but you just want to hit the creative tab here. You want to hit the look drop down box, and this is where you're going to find where you saved that LUT. So whether it be mine or whether it be one that you downloaded from YouTube, just go ahead and find and remember where you placed that. For me, I place all of my LUTs kind of in this Premiere Pro folder. As you can see, I have a bunch of different LUTs that I've used over the years. Peter McKinnon's, some of my favorite LUTs that he sells, so go over there and check him out as well. But my LUT, I'm going to keep that over here, and the one that I created specifically for all things is right here. So I'm just going to go ahead and upload that. So all you have to do is find the LUT, hit whatever the LUT is. If it's mine, if it's somebody else's, hit it, and then hit open, and boom, there you go. There you go. So as you can tell, a LUT just literally changes the whole look and feel of the video, and it just gives it a way more cinematic look than without. So if I kind of toggle this and let you see what it looked like before, you can see, 1 second here. Yep, ungraded, kind of blown out a little bit. No, not really any color. And then if I add that back, you can see the greens come out. We toned down the purple here. We brought out the pink suit. We got the smoke that you can tell is different from the background. You can actually see it. And so really, really cool thing that we are able to kind of add to this. And it's like an Instagram filter where you literally just place it and it can change the whole feel and look of the video. So some tips for using LUTs, and these will be really quick, but just want to give you some tips. So when you upload this LUT into the creative tab, it'll automatically be intensity 100. And what this does is kind of just overdoes it for a lot of clips. It just kind of depends on the look you're going for, but typically you want to lower this down. And the reason being is because it's so much contrast that it starts to kind of muddy the video, muddy the picture, and kind of break up the actual clip. So you want to tone this down a little bit. So usually I go anywhere from 75 to 80, and I think that looks good right there. Also, when you use LUTs, they don't look the same across all videos. So you're gonna have to go in basic corrections. You're gonna have to expose for how you want it. So I like it right there. If you want some more contrast or take out contrast, you're gonna have to go in and fix that, and you're gonna have to fine tune it to get the look you're looking for, because it won't look the same on every clip that you use. As you can see, this LUT is really good for outdoors. If you have any greens that you want to kind of bring out, if you have any colors that you want to dial back and kind of pop out some different areas of the video, this is a good LUT to have. So here I'm just gonna keep adjusting till I get it where I like it. Bring the whites up a little bit. crush the blacks a little bit. And boom, I think that looks good. And this is very simple. Like I said, all it is it's not even drag and drop except the adjustment layer, but you're literally plugging in this LUT. It's super simple, and you can go from this to this in an instant, and you can place it over the whole video, and you can really up your production quality. So if you guys have any questions about this, let me know. Yo, so it was that easy. Literally plug and drop. Is super simple. The fact that LUTs are a thing is just amazing. Like I said, don't be ashamed if you don't know how to color your videos. I didn't know how to color my videos for the longest, and LUTs just kind of helped me out. I still use LUTs on all my videos. It's just how my process works. It's a lot quicker and a lot more efficient for longer videos, so you don't have to color each individual clip. So if you guys want to support me, you want to buy my LUT, you want to have your videos kind of look like the clips that I have, more cinematic, more punchy, then you can find my LUT down below called Fall Tings. Thank you guys for in advance for choosing that LUT, and just kind of let me know what the LUT looks like. Tag me in your videos on Instagram. You can follow me at WCREATVE. That's WCREATVE. You guys tag me in your videos. Let me know how you like the LUT down below. If you have questions about it, always you can email me. You can reach out to me on Instagram, and I'll be more than happy to help you guys get that set up. But yeah, for now, I'm logging off. If you guys have questions, leave them below. If you're new here, like I said, subscribe, hit the like button. Let's go.